So today I'll be showing you how to change your Samsung account, country or region. Now obviously by the time you're watching this video you might have tried going to settings and then going to your Samsung account page, going to your profile info and trying to change it from here. Okay, and you might have realized that it's not possible. So the solution is to open the internet browser. I'll just go with Samsung Internet here. Open the browser and then you're gonna go to your Samsung account. Okay, so you can type up here Samsung account. Search for that. From the results, go to Samsung account and sign in with your Samsung account credentials. Now once you're signed into your Samsung account, this is what you're going to see. So you want to tap on profile, and on your profile page, if you scroll down, you will see your country or region. Tap on edit personal information. That opens the profile editor, and if you scroll, now you'll notice under country or region, if you tap on that, you can actually change it to somewhere else. So let me for instance change mine to America, and then I'll choose, let's say I'll choose USA. So I chose United States of America. I'm from Kenya, so you can see that's a big change. So once I do it like that, so as soon as you pick your country, for instance I've picked USA, make sure you tap on change. Then it's going to say add new number Samsung for two-step verification. I'm going to say not now. Change country or region. That is it. You can see it says I understand. Once I select understand some account data may be lost, I'll just tap on change. It's going to ask for my password again. Put in the password and then tap OK. And that's it. So now you'll notice my Samsung account now has a new region. Let me just sign in once again. It's gonna sign me out of my Samsung account, so I'll just tap on sign in again. So I'll put in my credentials once more, and of course it's going to ask to send a verification code. Keep in mind that this will also sign you out of your Samsung account from your phone. So if you go into settings, you'll notice you've been signed out of your Samsung phone as well. So you might want to sign back in. And once you're signed in back to your Samsung phone, let's go and check our profile. And let's look at the country or region. And as you can see, my country or region has changed. So that is basically how to change your country or region. You have to go to a browser, change it there, and then that's going to sign you out of your account. Come back to the phone, sign back in, and your account or region will have changed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video useful. And if you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section and we will get back to you there or in the next one. Good luck.